that your lasso? What, your lasso? Hey, sing me the song. Sing me the cowboy song.
I want to be a cowboy, just flipping a horse, singing all settle, making it hard, and of course, like the cattle, and the cat's on my head, and an all settle, oh, with my hat on, and of course.
With my hat on, of course. You sing so pretty. And you're really good with your lasso. Are you coming back? No? Show me your big girl bed. Huh. What? Do you sleep in that all by yourself?
Yes, I am.
Can you get in your big girl bed all by yourself?
Here,
Come here. Can you show Mommy your bed? Yeah, we'll turn on the nightlight when you go to sleep tonight. Can you show me your bed?
Okay.
Show me how you get in it all by yourself.
Oh.
Oh. Do you love it?
Yes.
Are you so big and old?
I'm so big. I'm so big.
You are so big and you're so pretty.
I'm so big and big.
Yeah?
I'm so big and big. I'm gonna put my asshole.
You're so big in your bed?
Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Get up!
Giddy up, horsey.
Get up! Get up!
Giddy
a horse. I want to be a cowboy horse. This is someone made a horse lasso. I can always dance. I can't die.
You're pretty good. I think we might be confused on the words, but that's pretty good. Okay, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye.
Bye, love you.